Hello guys, ito yung Celerio AGS po na 754,000 guys. At saka yung down payment nito nasa 39,999 po. Saka yung monthly po nasa 15,000 plus. And then guys, ang ganda guys no, headlight, yan, tapos yung fog lamp, and then the mag and the tire po, yan, so cool. And then guys, ang ganda ng kulay guys, no? Blue na blue. Ito lang guys yung tanging unit namin na may kulay na blue. And then guys, ang ganda ng itsura guys. And then yan, all new Celerio AGS. Yan, pinakamaganda naming hatchback type na unit po guys. Very affordable, very fuel efficient, and then guys, nakakasiguro ka na sobrang ganda, sobrang mura, at sobrang cute ng aming Celerio AGS guys. Huwag na pa kayo mapako-tumpik-tumpik pa guys. Bumili na kayo, mag-inquire na kayo, tumawag na kayo, at saka mag-text na po kayo sa akin sa number ko, 0915-483-9743, or else guys, come on, hanapin nyo guys yung TikTok account ko, and then yung sa YouTube channel ko guys, saka sa Facebook account ko guys. Pwede kayo guys mag-comment doon guys, mag-inquire guys. Yan, thank you po guys. Love ko yung Celerio na to guys. Yan, thank you po guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you po guys. Thank you po. Bye.